Okay, here I have to find the value of n. So if you look at the first part, it is given np5 is equal to 42 into np3. So what is the expansion of np5? It is n factorial by n minus 5 factorial, right? This is equal to 42 into n factorial by n minus 3 factorial, right? So what will this be? If I can cross cancel n factorial from both sides, and if I cross multiply the denominators, I'll get n minus 3 factorial is equal to 42 into n minus 5 factorial, right? I can write n minus 3 factorial as n minus 3 into n minus 4 into n minus 5 factorial, right? This is equal to 42 into n minus 5 factorial, right? So if I cancel n minus 5 factorial, then I'm left with n minus 3 into n minus 4. So if I expand it, I'll get n square minus 7n plus 12 is equal to 42. This means that n square minus 7n minus 30 is equal to 0, right? So what are the values of n that it will satisfy? So I can write it as n minus 10 into n plus 3 is equal to 0. Try to expand it, we'll get the same thing. So what does it mean? N is equal to 10 or n is equal to minus 3, correct? There is no meaning in telling that n is negative. Moreover, we are also given that n should be greater than 4. So we reject this solution. Therefore n is equal to 10. Okay. So now, and the second part is n p4 by n minus 1 p4 is equal to 5 by 3. So if I expand it, I'll get n factorial by n minus 4 factorial divided by n minus 1 factorial by n minus 1 minus 4, which is n minus 5 factorial, right? This is equal to 5 by 3. So what does this mean? So if I take this fraction to the numerator, I have to invert it. So n factorial by n minus 4 factorial into n minus 5 factorial divided by n minus 1 factorial is equal to 5 by 3, correct? So if I want to cancel some terms, I can cancel n minus 1 factorial from here and here. I'll be left with n, because n factorial is equal to n into n minus 1 factorial. Similarly, n minus 4 factorial is equal to n minus 4 into n minus 5 factorial. So if I cancel that with this, then I will get n by n minus 4 is equal to 5 by 3, which means that 3n is equal to 5n minus 20, or 20 is equal to 2n, which means that n is equal to 10 again. Therefore in both the options we got, in both the parts we got n is equal to 10.